take that off.
Lily, go inside.
Go and see.
Does it ring?
Yeah, ring the doorbell.
Lily, say hi. She's still needs to wake up. She's kind of.
What if I walk with them?
Woohoo!
What do you think, Lee? Is it okay?
Oh yeah.
I know it's not the wooden one that you probably want, but the kits for those are like hundreds upon hundreds of dollars, and I couldn't afford that.
Oh no, no, no.
So Jared put it together.
Oh really?
Yeah.
This is
Lily,
cute.
Lily, peek out the window here. Let me see you. Look out here. Where are you? There is a phone too, but it's
Okay.
in the house. Oh, here, let me see you. Lily, hey, look at me. Oh.
They driverly flat.
But aren't they, are they dry? If they're dry, we could take them in.
I like to keep them that way.
You mean you take them down?
Oh.
Hi, Bud. Look at me.
Lift it off!
Okay, pick your feet up.
Too scary!
Okay, Addie, you gotta look at Lorna when you come flying down here. Look at me, look at me, look at me. One more, look at me.
I want Daddy
You see? That's your friend. Do you see her?
Wait, you can still
What
pretend.
they're doing.
She's swinging.
Happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lilia. Happy birthday to you.
Come on.
Slow. Yay for Lilia! Yay, Lilia!
Huh? No, you have that other carrot on there. All right, you're good. You ate enough. Well, can you take one? Is yours? Kaylin. I don't know. You will not get a cupcake till you eat the other. Okay, this is yours though.
Come on, my balloon. I want to play with my balloon. I want to put one of my yellow ones.
Kaylin, are you going to want a Dora or to
Much better.
Granny Joyce and to Papa?
You're welcome, honey. This way, Lilia. Lilia. You're welcome, honey.
It's a puzzle.
Puzzle.
And Nanny will set it right here, and then we'll look at the other piece. We'll get the pink
Thank
one.
you.
We'll get the pink one. That's from Nanny, Granny, and Papa too.
You can start your little
Yeah,
preschool here.
the pink one. Go get the other one. Yep. Good job. Okay, bring it over here, and I'll help you.
And this one?
Good job.
We'll do ours too.
Okay.
Oh, it is?
And Lee in her.
Thank you.
Wait, today?
Do you want me to help you? You want to do it?
Those big bellies.
Yeah. What are you talking about?
It's feeling a lot jigglier than normal. Baby's way back. Baby's like hiding, scared.
Don't lose that.
Movie.
You go take this to Daddy and ask Daddy if this is supposed to stay on or if it's supposed to come out. That's supposed to come out.
Oh, yeah.
But the red diamonds are going to come out. Since I can't remember.
Lily, what did you get?
Little Miss Ryder.
I'm going to give it a haircut here.
You want to see it? Yeah.
Seriously,
It's a spider.
you want me to try? Because I've gotten those off of two horses with no scissors.
And you.
Look at, can I try it?
And then this is.
Bite. Dustin.
Come this way.
Lily, what do you think?
Yay! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lily. Happy birthday to you.
Macy?
Dog. The dog. Oh, these are cute ones. Really nice.
I have that.